I welcome you to my channel, The Outlier. In this section, we will be seeing how to import an Excel file. In the earlier sections, we have seen how to import a tab delimited file as well as the CSV file. We're going to quickly see how we can import a spreadsheet. Let me just open the spreadsheet and show you how the source file looks like. It's E drive. This is the file that I have. Let me just zoom in. You can see it has very, very important variables like employee ID, gender, birth date of the person, what's his education level, job category, salary details, job time, previous experience, minority. 0 means he does not belong to the minority. 1 means he belongs to the minority. Let me just go to the last row to just check the sample size. There are 474 rows in this particular data set. The first thing you need to do is basically close the source file. It asks whether you want to make any, whether you want to save any changes. I'll say don't save. Let me come back to my SPSS environment. This is my SPSS environment. You've already seen this. You're familiar with this. It says VAR, which means that all the variables at this stage are inactive. To import a Excel file, you can just go to File menu and choose the Import Data option. Here you see a wide variety of options. If you want to connect to a database, an external database of the client, and pull the data from an external data set, you can do that, provided you know the login credentials for the client's database. You also have a variety of options like importing from SAS, Stata, DBase, Lotus, Cognos, so on and so forth. What I'll do is I'll just choose the option Excel. I'll keep it very simple because my source file here is Excel. Once you click on the option Excel, it'll just take you to the location of the file. In case you have specified it in any other drive, C drive, D drive, desktop, you can just click on the drop-down menu and choose that particular drive and specify and navigate through to the location of the file. What I'll do is that SPSS source files is my source directory. I'll just choose employee data. It's an XLSX file. I'll click on the option open. You can see here open. It generates a preview. If you're happy with the preview, you can just go ahead. This is the worksheet. Many times what happens is that the spreadsheet may have multiple working sheets, and therefore you might want to specify the appropriate worksheet from which you want to pull the data. You can also specify the range of the source file. You can see all the variables here that you want to pull in. If you're convinced with this, you can just click on OK. And once you click on the option OK, you can see here the file is quickly imported into your SPSS environment. This is the file that I have: ID, gender, birth date, education level, job category, salary, beginning salary. You also have other important variables like job time, previous experience, minority, so on and so forth. As you can see here, it's very, very easy for anybody, even a non-programmer, to import the data set, because not all of us may have a background in programming. Not all of us want to code using R or Python. We don't want to search where one comma is missing or where a semicolon is missing, where there's a caps symbol which we have perhaps overlooked. Right? You can just quickly, using the point and click option, pull the data set into your SPSS environment. No wonder SPSS is very, very popular amongst researchers as well as academicians, and to a large extent even corporate sector. I thank you very much for watching my video. I will see you in my next video.